simple formulas how to avoid the distractions. We can avoid the distractions, we can overcome by our using intelligence, discrimination, or we can just avoid it. We do not even face it. So, in my suggestion, better avoid the distractions, because it is very difficult to overcome. The temptation is so strong, the temptation to watch it is so strong. These are professional companies who are spending billions of dollars to produce these serials, and they are so designed that the students, especially the of this young age, they cannot say no to them. So, it is very recommended, very much recommended, that please do not entertain them. If you entertain, it will become little difficult to control yourself.